Gee, hello and welcome to the next tune in Zero to Hero in a Euro. So today we're going to do the Rambling Pitchfork, and this is a gorgeous jig, and there's loads of really cool different versions of it. So the setting that I've chosen to give you is a very mainstream setting, and it's influenced by the playing of Píce, who's a dead, unfortunately, flute player from Sligo, and a brilliant recording on an album called Kitty Lie Over, which was made by Caoimhín O'Reilly and Mick O'Brien, who are both very much alive. So Caoimhín plays the fiddle, Mick plays the uilleann pipes, and they have a lovely version of it. So if you're looking for a Christmas present, I'd say put that down your list. Just to give you a little bit of background, sometimes you can hear the tune and it sounds like this. Sometimes it sounds like this. But we're going to do the more mainstream version that you'll actually mostly hear in sessions. Okay. And finally, just to let you know, if you are interested in further researching the jazzy and quirky variations on the Rambling Pitchfork, you could do worse than to hear Tommy Potts or this amazing version by Kevin Burke on an album called In Tandem. So yeah, check them out. And if you're ready for the mainstream version, then let's lash into it. Hey, go. Okay, so first of all you have a pip, and then you have tap. Okay, so we're going to just refresh them from our previous lesson. First of all, I want you to put your fingers down for G, and now try going. So just raise the G finger very quickly. So let's do like 3 of them, just to recap. Ready, go. Well done. Okay, now we're going to refresh our tap. So get your fingers ready on a G, and then very quickly flick your F finger off the F hole. So it sounds like this. It sounds like this. Try doing that with me now. Ready, go. Okay, and as always, strive to have them really, really fast and simultaneously really clear and audible. Okay? So now we're going to try putting them one after the other. So you're going to go like this. Okay, hear that rhythm? Important to get that. Long, pip, tap. Okay, so try doing that with me now. Ready, go. And again, ready, go. And again, ready, go. Excellent, fair play to you. So now we're going to try speeding it up a tiny bit, okay? That is to say, we're going to make the G at the beginning a tiny bit shorter. So it's going to be like this. Excuse me, that was a bit of a messy one. Listen to this one. Okay, so, and try it with me. Ready, go. And again, ready, go. And again, ready, go. Cool, fair play to you. Okay, now we're going to try it at hyper speed, but please don't get intimidated by this. This is a very subtle, difficult technical thing to do, and it will take you approximately 3 years. So I'm aiming for successful completion of this assignment by around 2018. All I wanted you to do today is get started on it and start the process of getting it under your belt, under your fingers. Okay, so let's give it a go and try going like this. Okay, ready, go. And again, ready, go. And again, ready, go. Excellent. Fair play to you. Okay, good time to press pause and go back over that and just get it to a barely adequate level before we go on to the next bit. Well done. Okay, so now we're going to try a roll on the F, okay? Exact same principle, just down a note. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with your F and we're going to refresh our pips. So remember, very quickly lift up the F finger and that gives us a pip. Let's try 3 of them in a row. Ready, go. Really good. Okay, now let's try an F tap. So you're going to put your fingers on an F and then you're going to quickly flick your E finger. Okay, 3 of them sounds like this. Okay, so now that you've refreshed them, how about we try putting them together in a roll? It'll sound like this. Okay, let's try 3 of them together, okay? I'll play, you copy after me. And yourself. And me. And you. Okay, now we're going to try speeding it up a little. So that first long portion of F is going to get a little shorter, okay? So listen to this. Okay, now try that. Ready, go. Ready, go. And again, ready, go. Excellent. Okay, and now we're going to try it at warp speed, and it's going to be totally crap, and that's totally fine. We're just lashing into it and giving it a go and starting the process here, okay? So listen to this. Okay, hang, do, hang, do, hang, do. Like I said, I do not expect you to be able to do that until 2018, okay? But start playing with it, start it, and then in 2018 you will be able to do that, okay? So fair play, you've just learned the first ornaments for the A part, and now it's on to the tune. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is an F roll, okay? And then you're going to slur up to an A. Sounds like this. Okay, so I'm going to go F, pip, tap, A, and it goes F, pip, tap, slur. So try that with me now. Hang, do. Okay, good work. Let's do it again. Hang, do. Mahu, agus ríist. Hang, do. Fair play. Excellent. Okay, now what we're going to do is, okay, so it's very simple. F, F, Heidi, tongue slur. So listen. Now try that. Hang, do. Agus ríist. Hang, do. Mahu, agus ríist. Íntacar fad. Okay, so that is section 1 and section 2. Let's try them together. Hang, do. Fair play to you. And again. Sorry, made a little articulation mistake. Don't tell anybody. Hang, do. Great work. And one more time. Ready, go. Fair play to you. Okay, the next section is very easy. You're just going to go. So it goes F, F, A, and you go tongue slur. Okay, so now, how about you do that with me? Hang, do. Fair play to you. Hang, do. Mahu, and again, hang, do. Brilliant. Okay, now we're going to try doing the final section, which is so very difficult. Not. All you have to do is, very easy. F, D, tongue, Now try doing that with me. Ready, go. Agus ríist. Hang, do. agus a ríist, hain, do. Fair play to you. So now you're going to try putting section 3 and 4 together. So it sounds like this. Okay, do that with me. Hain, do. Mahu, agus a ríist. Agus a ríist. Hain, do. Mahu. Okay, so now we're going to try doing the entire of phrase 1, okay? Starts on your F roll, and let's give it a go. Hain, do. Mahu, fair play to you. Let's try it again. Hain, do. Excellent. And again. Hain, do. Beautiful. Well done to you. Okay, on to phrase 2. So you're going to start off with a G, okay? A G roll to be precise. Okay, so you're going to go. So you're going to go G, pip, tap, A, and it's all slurred. G, slur. Okay, so try that with me now. Hain, do. Mahu. Let's give it a go again. Hain, do. Fair play. Let's go again. Hain, do. Well done. Fun time. Lovely stuff. Okay, so now what we're going to do is the second little section. Okay, nice and easy. You're just going to go. So B, C, I, D. Now this is going to go tongue slur. Okay. So try that with me now. Hain, do. Lovely. And again. Hain, do. Fair play. And again. Hain, do. Great work. So now we're going to put section 1 and section 2 together. Listen to this. Let's give it a go. Hain, do. Mahu, agus a ríist. Hain, do. Fair play to you. One more time. Ready, go. Beautiful. Excellent. Okay, so now we're going to try section 3. So now you're just going to go. Okay, so it's E, D, C, and it goes high E, D, C, slurred. So tongue slur. So give that a go. Ready, go. Mahu, agus a ríist. Hain, do. Fair play. And again. Hain, do. Well done to you. One more time. Ready, go. Kudabilla. And now all you have to do is add 2 notes to that, okay? So you're just going to go A, G, tongue, tongue. Okay? So just try that once on your own. And now I think you're ready to add them to section 3. So you're going to go. Okay? Let's give that a go. Hain, do. Íntaach agus a ríist. Hain, do. Mahu agus a ríist. Hain, do. Fair play, Gritch. Excellent. So now we're going to put all those sections together, okay? So hain, do. Fair play to you. Let's do it again. Hain, do. Well done. Okay, and again. Hein do. Gorgeous. Really, really, really good. Okay, well done. You've just learned froth over do. On you go. Hein do. Fair play. Let's go again. Hein do. Excellent. And final time. Ready, go. Excellent. Mahu. So here goes, froth over tree. So now it's really similar to froth over hain, but we have a breath, okay? So it's gonna sound like this. Okay, so basically instead of doing the full roll, you throw in a breath, okay? So try doing F, breath, F, A, okay? And that F, A is slurred, okay? So let's try it now. Hain do. Mahu, auxerisht. Hain do. Indak, auxerisht. Hain do. Colin. Okay, so now we're going to go to section number 2, and it's the same as before. Okay, so let's just do that once, okay? You're going to go F, F, high D, and you're going to go tongue, slur. So try it with me once. Hain do. Okay, now how about we put section 1 and section 2 together, okay? So it'll sound like this. Okay, ready to do it with me? Hain do. Great stuff. Okay, and again. Hain do. Beautiful. Okay, and again. Ready, go. Excellent. Okay, fair play to you. So the cool thing is that it's identical from there on to phrase over hain. Okay, so how about we try just a quick recap of the next bit. You go. Okay, do that with me. Ready, go. Okay, now how about we try putting all of those sections together? Okay, here goes. Hain do. Yay, well done, you did it. Okay, so try it with me again. Hain do. Mahu, indik fad, and then let's go again. Hain do. Fair play to you. Great work. Okay, you have just learned froth a tree in pretty much record time. Mahu. Here goes. Hain do. Excellent. Fair play to you. And if you didn't get to the end of that, no problem. We're just going to do it again. Hain do. Okay, so that was the second time. Let's try it again. Hein, do. Oops, I forgot the breath. Okay, terrible. Let's try it again. Hein, do. Well done to you. Fair play. Now, what's a tiny bit complicated about this is that there is two frosa cars. Okay, so we're going to learn the first time that we play frosa car. So what you do is you go. So that's G, roll B, and it's all slurred. Okay, so do that with me now. Well done. Let's try it again. Hein, do, G, pip, tap, B. Great. And again. Hein, do. Fair play to you. And let's do it again. Hein, do. Great work. Okay, so that section is done. Now, the next thing you do is, that's really nice and easy, okay? You just go high D, B, A, and you go high tongue slur. And randomly, I just have to mention that every time I hear the phrase high D, I think of like Switzerland and mountains and little girls with blonde hair and plaits and cowbells and stuff. Anyway, yes, just letting you know. So here we go. Try that with me. Hein, do. Mahu, agsarisht. Hein, do. Intak, agsarisht. Hein, do. Horbor. Okay, so now what we're going to try doing is the last bit, which is very nice and easy. You just go breath. Okay, so F, D, D, breath. And it's all tongued. Okay, so do that with me now. Hein, do. Okay, and try it yourself now. Hein, do. Great work. And again. Hein, do. Well done. And again. Hein, do. Great. Okay, so now we're going to try putting those sections together. Okay, so now I did a tiny articulation mistake there. Terrible. So let's try it again. Okay, this is what it's supposed to sound like. Okay, will you try that with me now? Hein, do. Excellent. Really good. And don't forget to take your breath at the end just to get into the habit. Okay? Agsarisht. Hein, do. Intak. Agsorjernik. Hein, do. Okay, so I'm just going to add one tiny addition to that. The thing is that in order to get back into the first part again, it's really nice to throw in an E. So if you see your notation, there's an E at the end of that bar, and we're going to throw that in now. So you're just going to go. Okay, very elongated F there. And you see the way that E just acts as a little bridge to bring you back into the first part again. So let's try that one final time, including our E. Ready, go. Great work. Fair play to you. Well done. You've just learned frosa car for the first time. Bye. Okay, the time has come where we get to do the A part, the whole A part, and nothing but the A part. Okay, so let's give it a go. Hang down. And you're back into it again. Mahoo! Excellent. Let's try it again. Hang down. Excellente! Really good. And let's try it our third time. Hang down. Etc. Well, fair play to you. Well done. Okay. So now we're going to try Fánach for the second time. Okay, so what we're doing here is we just have a little bridge at the end to bring us into the second part. Okay, so we're going to start as normal. We're going to go. And then you just go. Okay, so it's exactly the same as the first time through. It's just that you throw in an F and an A at the end. Okay, so we try that together. So try first of all going. And this is the Tesco moment, or the super value moment, sport Irish, where, you know, it sounds like tannoy at a supermarket. So yes, you're probably going to be thinking about like what you need to buy for groceries this week every time you hear this. Okay, so try going D, F, A, and it's tongue, tongue, tongue. So try that. Ready, go. Mahoo. Let's try it again. Ready, go. And again. Hing, do. Induk. Now let's try popping that onto the end of the part of the phrase. Hing, do. Okay, great. Let's try that again. Hing, do. Excellent. And let's do it again. Hing, do. Great work. So I'm just going to give you one final little task, which will make it easier for you in the long run, and that is we're going to put a high D at the end of that, because that high D is the first note of the second part. Okay, so let's practice going into the second part. Okay, hang do. Okay, really good work. Let's try it again. Hang do. Fair play to you. Agus reach. Hang do. Beautiful. Excellent. Well done. Do. Etc. Really, really good. Fair play to you. Hey, do. Hey, do. Fair play. Hey, do. Fair play to you. Hey, do. Etc. Really good.